Hi there and welcome to this short video. This is a short introduction to our migrations process and how to set up your new website on our hosting platform if you're migrating from another hosting company. This screen you're looking at the moment is actually the very first screen you'll see when you log into your cloud hosting platform for the first time. Maybe that you already have a website that's been added. If so, you can just ignore this first section of the video, but the first thing we're just going to explain is how to add a website to your cloud hosting platform. The first section you'll want to use is this add new website button. If you select it, it'll bring you to this form, which is just a two-step process to adding a website to the cloud. It's nice and easy. For this video, we'll just add a site called newsitemigration.co.uk. That will be the domain name that you want to migrate over to us. It doesn't matter if it's already in use elsewhere. This will only affect our server. It's only an internal thing, and so you can add it here without the www, and then just click next. After that, you'll come to this screen, which is asking you what sort of platform you want to host it on. As it says here, Linux is recommended. If you aren't aware of what hosting platform you need, we always suggest use Linux. It's almost certain that it will be Linux 99.9% of the time. It's what you'll want to use, and so after that, just click create new site. After that, you'll just have to wait. It won't happen straight away, so don't be concerned. It's just a short wait while the cloud creates your website. It has to create all your DNS records and your settings, and so it can take up to 5 minutes to do this part. After that screen, you'll be presented with this screen, which is the hosting control panel, or the dashboard as we call it, for your website. At the moment, it's for a blank website just on our cloud platform, so no changes that you make here will have much of an effect straight away that you'll be able to see on your website. But what we are really interested in for the purposes of this video is how you're able to request a migration from your old hosting company to us. So our migrations team can bring your website and the files and the database of that website over to our servers. And what you want to look for is a free site migrations button, and that will be here on the top row under basic management tools. And this is the feature that will put you directly in touch with our migrations team. So if you select that button, this is what you'll see. This is our free site migration section of the cloud hosting dashboard. And this first screen that you'll see is a list of all existing migrations, which, because we haven't requested one yet, is empty. And so, as you'll see, it'll say domain name and nothing underneath it. So we want to change that, and the way we do that is by clicking this green tab here to request a migration of my fake website, newsitemigration.co.uk. If you do that, it'll bring you to this little form, which is a form where you can fill in all the information that we'll need in order to migrate your website over to us. For example, we need your name. This is so our migrations team know how to refer to you when they get in touch with you. And also they need a email address, so let's use Michael's email at tsoHost.com. It doesn't really exist, just in case you're trying to get in touch with me. After that, you need to let us know the name of your old hosting provider so we know where to look for the site. Let's make one up, old host. Yeah, that's a good one. After that, you need a short description of the website, of what it is. A simple WordPress website, for example, would do, or else a Magento e-commerce site, or a Joomla website. It's completely up to you. If you're unsure, don't be too concerned. You can leave this blank. It really does help us though if we can have as much information as we can get. After this, we need the login details. So what we really need to migrate your website over to us is access to the files and the databases that website uses. And any access to those is fine, so long as we can get access to both, just to copy them over. Normally, just login details for your hosting company, where you log in to manage your website, is exactly what we need. So oldhost.com/login. Again, I just made that up. Username and password. After that, you go down to any further information. Just give us any other information you think we might need as part of either the migration or any custom details you need for managing that migration, or any time if you don't want us to do it straight away, if you have to make some changes first, anything like that, just put it in here. After that, select this green button, which is request migration, and that will put the request straight through to our migrations team so that they can bring your website over to our hosting platform. So once the migration has been requested and we have the migration, we'll be able to get in touch with you if we need any information or if there's any updates, or indeed once the migration has been completed. However, in the meantime, if you're looking to overview the process of the migration or want to have a look over previous messages, you can always come back to this screen. And just to remind you how to get there, you just want to select free site migrations on your dashboard, and you will see the migration you've requested, which we did here, under existing migrations. And from here you can view the status of the migration. As you can see here, it's pending, and if you click under view, you will see the status. And if somebody wants to get in touch with you, for example, we've placed a quick message on this one here, you will see all previous communication on this screen here, and you can always reply straight into straight onto this screen, and that will update us, and it's the same as replying to the emails that we send you. As soon as this is done, you'll be told exactly what you need to do next by our migrations team, and that will complete your migration.